Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how I use Google Gemini brand new Nano Banana tool to create absolutely killer ads. This feature is insane. You can literally edit or generate images just by writing a simple prompt. And then I will show you how I turn those images into a dramatic video in just a minute. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open up Google Gemini and then just select create image, this one. This is the latest feature update and it lets you transform images with just text prompts. For example, I experimented with a few ad concepts for fried chicken. Look at this result. In my first result, I create a dramatic floating chicken paste. It's super cinematic. And then for my second, I added red sauce splashes and spicy chili flakes for more drama. And then add the third result, like this. I placed the chicken on a wooden board with a fiery text that screams golden hot chicken, like this. Really amazing, right? You can just experiment endlessly, whether you're promoting food, product, or even fashions. Just type what you want and Nano Banana will do the magic. And once you're happy with your image, just next step is turning them into a video. And here's what I do. Just download the two of your best images. For this tutorial, I will choose this one and this one. These two will act as the start and end frames of my ad video. And next, just open Google Flow. Just choose frame to video, this one, and then just upload your two images as starting and ending frames on here. And then just write a simple but powerful prompt over here. And after that, just select your model and then output per and then number of output. And then you can also select your aspect ratio and once you're done, just hit on generate, this one. And then in just a few moments you will get a professional looking ad video like this. Like this. Just experiment with different prompts and then styles and even a product, and then you will be surprised at what you can create. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.